Welcome to our review of the electric air duster. This powerful and versatile cleaning tool is designed to make your life easier. With its high-speed 360,000 RPM turbofan, this electronic air duster delivers strong airflow that removes dust and debris in seconds. Perfect for cleaning keyboards, electronics, and more. The electric air duster features 4 adjustable speed settings, making it ideal for a wide range of cleaning tasks. From keyboards and computer cases to sofas and car interiors, this air duster is perfect for the job. With its metal body and portable design, this mini air blower is built to last and easy to carry. Plus, it's eco-friendly and reusable, making it a cost-effective solution for your cleaning needs. Fast charging with Type-C and safety features like overheat and short-circuit protection ensures safe and reliable use. And with a 2-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, you can trust that you're investing in a quality product. Get your electric air duster today and experience the power of efficient cleaning. Perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and versatile cleaning solution. Order now and discover the convenience of cordless cleaning. With its powerful turbo fan, adjustable speed settings, and portable design, this electric air duster is the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. Say goodbye to disposable compressed air cans and hello to a more efficient and cost-effective cleaning solution. Get your electric air duster today. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about the electric air duster or would like to purchase one, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to take advantage of the fast charging feature and the adjustable speed settings to make your cleaning tasks easier. With its eco-friendly and reusable design, this electric air duster is perfect for anyone looking to reduce waste and save money. Get your electric air duster today and start cleaning with ease and efficiency.